G minor, F, B flat. I made the entire chord chart for you. Here it goes. Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, because most of you would be seeing this for the first time. First of all, congratulations for surviving till this day. We know what's happening around. Everyone is inside. So by the way, I'm Akash, and I'll be teaching you a lot of songs, a lot of contemporary music coming around, everything that you want to learn. So you can just maybe follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel also. There'll be a lot of material coming in the near future. So thanks for landing here, and I'll be breaking down this song as simple as I can, the riff and all the chords, to make it as simple as possible for you. So the riff of the song, we start on the 6th fret, and we're doing octaves here. So what are octaves? It's a note and the same note above or below. So like this. Let's do it slowly. You can follow the tabs, will make things easier. The chords that I've used in the song are basically G minor, F, B flat, which you can call an A sharp 2, C minor. You can play it like this. Those who are beginners, just no need to bar, just play it like this. It sounds the same. I've been using the bar in the song that I'll be playing along with the track. You can play without the bar too. Those who are intermediate and advanced players, use the bar. In the bridge part, it's a little different from the song. It goes like a little swift change. Then these are, I think, 100% original chords that perhaps the guys there at Alan Walker, they've been using these chords. That's what I think. Feel free to share your comments or suggestions. Let's see how I played with the track. So I hope this was a little useful for you. This was what you've been looking for on YouTube. You're looking for the chords. I made the entire chord chart for you. Here it goes. If you want this chord chart, the advantage of having a chord chart in your mobile or any device is you get to play the song maybe 1 year later and you need not memorize it. Just open your chord chart and play, and you'll play it like a pro. Here's the chord chart. Hit me on Instagram. I'll DM you the chord chart. Okay guys, it was nice meeting you for the first time, those who are here. Take care. Please survive.
Music always play with a